There are a lot of handlebar mounts out there. Plastic claws, cheap clamps, mounts that rattle loose after one ride. The RokFORM motorcycle handlebar phone mount was built to answer all of that. Today, we're going to break down what makes ours different, how it installs, and what riders need to know before they buy. Let's get into it. The handlebar phone mount is designed to keep a rider's phone visible and secure directly on the handlebars. No fishing around in the pocket, no pulling over to check a map. It's built for Harley-Davidson, Indian, and metric cruisers and fits right into the handlebar setup riders already have. The handlebar phone mount is CNC machined from aircraft-grade aluminum with a UV anodized finish, available in matte black or polished aluminum. The matte black works naturally on all black builds, and the polished aluminum finish pairs perfectly with chrome choppers. Either way, the finish is anodized, not painted, so it won't fade or degrade in the sun. Now let's talk about compatibility and fit. The mount fits handlebars between 7/8 of an inch and 1.5 inches in diameter. That's 22.2 to 38.1 millimeters, which covers a full range of cruiser-style handlebars. Installation is clean and simple, and once it's on, it sits low profile without adding any clutter to your bars. Adjustability is one of the strongest points to this mount. The motorcycle handlebar phone mount rotates a full 360 degrees and pivots between -20 and 55 degrees, so riders can dial in the perfect viewing angle. It also means the arm can be set upright to record a ride, which is a feature riders appreciate once they know it's there. The motorcycle handlebar phone mount works seamlessly with RokFORM's rugged and crystal cases. Both cases carry the integrated magnets that make use of the full RokFORM ecosystem and work together for all riders. Together, the RokLock and magnet systems keep the phone in place regardless of road conditions. For riders who want extra peace of mind, a lanyard is included with each mount for an extra level of security. Additionally, RokFORM's vibration dampener pairs seamlessly with this mount. That's the RokFORM motorcycle handlebar mount. Aircraft-grade aluminum, 2 finish options, fits bars from 7/8 of an inch to 1.5 inches in diameter, full 360-degree rotation and pivot adjustability, and a dual retention lock system that keeps riders' phones exactly where they need them. This is a bestseller for a reason. Once a rider gets their hands on it, it speaks for itself.